Bob the bird. Join us as Lily makes an origami bird that flaps and talks. You will need a square of paper and a strong flat surface to fold on. It's tip time. The key is to go slow and keep it neat. The more accurately you can line it up and the crisper you can make your folds, the better it will work. So first you need your square of paper. It's a bit easier if your paper is different on each side. Then we're going to fold it diagonally from point to point. Make sure that it lines up nice and straight at the point and along the sides, just like Lily does in the video. Carefully hold the paper in place with one hand and slide your finger down from the point and then out towards the edges to make a really neat fold. Time for another tip. You can use a fingernail or the clean edge of a ruler to make your fold nice and crisp. Now open your paper out and spin it round 90 degrees. So your fold's going to go from going straight across to going straight up and down, like this. Now we're going to fold it diagonally from point to point again, making a new crease. So here you can see our original fold line and where we're going to make our new one. So you'll end up with a cross in the middle. Ta-da! Now we have a folded triangle pointing upwards with a fold line down the centre. Next we're going to fold the outer corners down to meet the centre fold, like this. Can you see how carefully Lily is being with her folding? Good stuff. The pink dot shows you where the two flappy points are. These will become Bob's wings. Now imagine a straight line running horizontally right through the side points of your diamond and fold each flappy point up and out like this. So you get a boat shape. See how the tops are parallel to our imaginary line? And the bottom point of each of our new wing triangles is exactly where the side points of our diamond were. This next bit is quite fiddly, so take a deep breath and do it really slowly and carefully. It might take a few tries to get the hang of it. Our boat shape actually has another boat shape hidden inside of it. Carefully wiggle these flaps apart and pull the inside boat out so it's lying on top of the bottom boat. They'll still be joined together by the fold at the bottom. Well done! You've very nearly finished making Bob. Let's open his beak. Take the top sail and fold it down over the side of the boat. Now we just need to make a couple of guide creases. This will help Bob's beak move properly. We're going to take the top point, the tip of his beak, and fold it down along one side and press to crease it. And then we're going to fold it to the other side and crease it. And we're going to do the same for his bottom beak. Can you see the new creases you've just made? Now we need to fold his wings back towards each other, just checking that his beak is properly moving. Can you see his beak opening and closing as you flap his wings? Well done you! You've just made a talking bird. What do you think Bob's trying to tell us?